All right, guys, this is how you can make $30,000, guys. $30,000 in just one trade. Okay, this is exactly how you can make $30,000 in just one trade. Now, this is a BNB. BNB simply means Binance Coin. Okay, BNB simply means Binance Coin. So here on the weekly time frame, guys, this is exactly what I did. Okay, so here on the weekly time frame, I was able to get what the reaction point. This is the reaction point. All right, price is reacting from this guy here. Okay, and we are going up. So what I did is to go to the daily time frame so I can be able to capture the structure very well. So I can be able to capture the structure, guys. So this is it here. On the daily time frame, this is what we have. You can see I marked out a break of structure to the upside, which is the first break of structure to the upside, and that simply means it is a change of character. All right, so after I have marked out this change of character, I saw another break of structure again to the upside. That is the second time that price is breaking structure to the upside. All right, this becomes what? A valid break of structure. So I now have a change of character and a break of structure to one direction. Now when I have a change of character and a break of structure to one direction, it simply tells me that my bias is towards that direction. Now this is a change of character to the upside. This is a break of structure to the upside. So we are what? Bullish. You get the point now? We are what? Bullish on this trade. We are bullish. So that is what my criteria to say that we are what? Bullish. So I'm not going to look for sell in this trade. I'm only going to be looking for opportunity to do what? To buy. All right, remember we are talking about how you can make $30,000 on just one single trade. Okay, I'm going somewhere now. This is it here. So now our bias is bullish. We simply go to what? The 4-hour time frame, guys. What are we going to do on the 4-hour time frame? We are going to mark out our key levels, our point of interest, our levels of interest, our area of interest, whatsoever you can call it. Just an area when price come, you want to be interested in the market. That is what we're going to mark out in the 4-hour time frame. I call it stores. I call it store. All right, so remember we are looking for a buying opportunity, and in the 4-hour we should look for what? A bullish store. That is where to buy from. It is a store where to buy from. Now this is it, guys. On the 4-hour time frame, let's go. This is it. Boom. On the 4-hour time frame, this is what we'll see, guys. Remember we are bullish and we are looking for what? A bullish store, which is what? A bullish order block. Now this is it, guys. This is on the 4-hour time frame. What can you see here? This is a clear break of structure to the upside. All right, so this is what? A valid order block in the 4-hour time frame. This guy here, this red candle, is what? A valid bullish order block in the 4-hour time frame. Why is this valid? It has a fair value gap and it has what? Displacement. It has a fair value gap and then it has what? Displacement. It also includes a break of structure. It broke structure. All right, so that makes it stronger and valid. But what exactly that I look out for a valid order block is that the order block must have a fair value gap, the order block must have displacement, and the order block must lead to a what? A break of structure. These are 3 criteria that is very, very important, guys. They are very, very important when you are carrying out your analysis. Now let's continue. So now we have this bullish store, that is the bullish order block. We now go to the 1 hour time frame. The 1 hour time frame is just for refinement of that zone. all right, for refinement. When I mean refinement, it is maybe looking for a smaller order block inside of the 4-hour order block. All right, that is what refinement. Now let's go, guys. This is on the 1 hour time frame. Let us see what we have here. Now on the 1 hour time frame, you can see that the big zone here, this big zone, this big area, that is this one here, is the 4-hour order block. All right, this is the 4-hour order block. Now inside this zone, I'm able to spot another smaller order block. This one, this guy here, that is what the 1 hour order block, that is the refinement area. All right, what it means is that if price comes to this refinement area and we see our confirmation in 5 minutes, we can take our trade. If price comes to this 4-hour order block without getting to this 1 hour order block and we see our refinement, our confirmation, we can take the trade. All right, you're only interested in these areas. All right, but if price happens to come to this 1 hour order block, the confirmation is very strong because price is not interested in going anywhere else, because once price goes against this place, then the trade idea becomes what, invalid. All right, so this 1 hour is our strongest zone, okay, to buy from, because it is inside the 4-hour order block. All right, so that is it, guys. Sorry about that. Now let us see what happened. Let us see if price has come to our zone. Boom, you can see price just step into our zone, but you see that price did not get to the 1 hour zone. This is this area here is the 1 hour zone. Price is just reacting from the 4-hour zone. Okay, now let us see our confirmation. Now that price has reacted from our zone, we simply go to what, 5 minutes, guys. Okay, I have it here already. We simply go to 5 minutes. Now when we get to 5 minutes, this is exactly what we want to see. We want to see that the market here swept liquidity. This is a liquidity sweep, and then the market caused a change of character to the upside. Not just a change of character, it also created what, a break of structure further. All right, it created a break of structure further, meaning that we'll have a change of character and we have a break of structure. That tells us that we are what, bullish, and then we take our trade from what, the extreme end, this area. This is the setup, guys. This is it here, very clean. Now in this setup, this is simply what, 1:3. Look at it. It's simply what, 1:3. Can you see it? Meaning that if I risk $10,000 in this trade, guys, I am making clean $30,000. Do you see it? If I risk $10,000, guys, I am making what, $30,000. That is what, that is it. So somebody that risks less is likely to make what, less. That is times 3 of what you risk. It's as simple as that, guys. So this is how you can be able to make $30,000 just in one trade. All right, that is it, and there is nothing to talk about it. All right, so if you have if you have any question, guys, please write it down on the comment section and I will look at it and I will respond to all your questions. All right, thank you very much for watching. Remain blessed. I love you.